How to set a song as a ringtone on a Samsung phone. So let's begin. First of all, you will need to carefully open the settings application. Then you should scroll down through the options and precisely click on the sounds and vibration option. As soon as you have clicked on it, you will then need to proceed by clicking on the ringtone option. Then from here you need to select your SIM number. For example, whether you want to set it for SIM 1 or SIM 2. Here I want to set it for SIM 1. If I want to select a ringtone for SIM 1, then after that you see this plus icon here. You need to click on it. All your music or songs will be available here. You can select any song here, listen to it, and if you want to set it, just click on done. As soon as you click on done, that song will be set, and in this way you can set any song as your ringtone on your Samsung phone. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.